Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are right now inactive. It is because we are using the time and the time zone set automatically. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. I believe they are network based. So as you can see right now, the date, time and the time zone are active. So we can freely tap on it and here just by swiping change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it and here we've got a full list of available ones, so just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one, as you can see, it will be immediately applied again. However, of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can use location to set time zone, up to you. The time format, right now it is automatic, which is based on the system language. However, you can always set it manually, so you can decide whether you want to be it 12 hours or 24-hour format. Let me pick, for example, this one. The dual clock. So basically it simply means that you will have one clock for the local time, the time in which you're currently in, and the second one you will pick totally different place all around the world of your choice. So in my case it is New York. You can decide whether you want to use it or not. If you don't want to, you can just turn it off. If you want to use it, you will have to pick the second clock. You will be able to pick the region and the time zone also, up to you. So basically this is the whole management of date and time, the manual management. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.